Ever worry about losing your website data? If you're using HostGator, backing up your site is one of the smartest habits you can build. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a full backup of your HostGator website so you're always protected. No stress, no confusion. Start by visiting hostgator.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In and log into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your hosting dashboard. This is your control hub. From the dashboard, head to the HostGator home section. Here you can see an overview of your hosting setup and manage all your websites in one place. Find the section labeled website and click it. This opens up all the important information tied to your site. Next, look for the settings tab. This is where HostGator keeps all the customizable options for your hosting environment. Click settings and then move into the advanced settings area. This section gives you deeper control over everything behind the scenes. Once you're in advanced settings, find the manage button and click it. Inside this menu, you'll see a tool called backup, and that's exactly where we want to go. Click backup to access the backup tools. From here, you can generate a full backup of your website. HostGator will package your site files and data into a downloadable format. Once the backup is ready, download it to your computer or external drive. That file is your safety net if anything ever goes wrong. Technical errors, accidental deletion, or malware issues. And just like that, you've backed up your HostGator website. Make it a routine. Regular backups mean you're always prepared and can restore your site quickly if something unexpected happens. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more practical website management tips. Keeping your site safe doesn't have to be complicated. You just did it in a few minutes.